Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the both phones Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 80 device by using the 4K export in the Power Directory application. As you can see friends, so this is a Power Directory application which I'll be using right now to export the 4K file at same time in both the phones. So here I'll be trying to compare the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor versus the Snapdragon 865 processor. So even I do have the Snapdragon 855 Plus from the Realme X2 Pro as well. I'll try to compare the Realme X2 Pro versus the Realme X7 Pro in the separate video. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those upcoming videos, friends. So definitely I'll do so many this kind of exporting things as well by using this kind of application, video editing applications. So a lot of users, they did ask me to use this kind of editing applications by comparing both phones so that they can decide how is the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor is performing when compared with the Snapdragon's processor. So in this test, we'll get to know all these details, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, in case if you haven't subscribed, and also to check the links in description for what live wallpapers I'm using in all of these three smartphones. So let's begin with the opening the Power Directory application here. As you can see, as soon as you open the Power Directory application, I did already added the video files in the both the smartphones, as you can see, friends. So both the phones these are 4K file which I have added right now. So both are of same kind of size and same length and everything. So this is a 4K video file which I'll be trying to export. So let me try to quickly show you, friends. So right now, save to gallery, and I'm trying to export in the full HD. So actual video size is a 4K video size. So from 4K, I'm converting and exporting it to the 1080, as you can see, friends, clearly. And let me try to quickly show you the settings as well. What is the frame rates and bit rate, as you can see, internal storage and everything. Everything seems to be same in between both the phones. And now let me try to click produce at same time. So let's see, friends, which phone will be finishing. As I said, this is a OnePlus 80 and here is a Realme X7 Pro device as well. So let's get started, friends. Even I'm really excited to see how much difference will it be there. I knew the Snapdragon 865 processor will perform best, but I just want to know how much time gap will it be there between both the smartphones. So just for that sake, I did have the stopwatch ready here. So just we can calculate how much difference will it be there between both the smartphones. And let me try to quickly start. And I started at same time in both the phones, as you can see here. So at same time I have clicked export. So let's see, friends, which phone will be finishing faster. And if you notice, the OnePlus 80 is finishing faster, and right now it's 12%. You can see the difference between the Realme X7 Pro's Dimensity 1000 Plus versus the Snapdragon's 865. So this is a Snapdragon 865 processor, friends. As you can see, how much difference and how much faster it is, as you can see here. So even here the UFS 3.1 also helps a lot. So OnePlus 80 has the UFS 3.1 storage, and whereas the Realme X7 Pro has the UFS 2.1 only. So that is also another factor which might be causing a slightly delay in the Realme phone. But right now you can see the OnePlus is getting to close to 50% right now. As you can see, friends, 50%, and still the Realme X7 Pro is at only 20%. As you can see, the difference is right now how much it is. And definitely I'll try to do the comparison with the Realme X7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro, that is from the Snapdragon processor. So you might be able to get another difference between those phones, Realme X2 Pro versus X7 Pro as well. I'll try to do that video in depth. So right now you can see, friends, it's getting close to the 100% in the OnePlus device. So that's a really good advantage in this OnePlus 80 smartphone. So as you can see, it's getting close. So 98%, 100%. As you can see, it's completed. It took about 1 minute and 45 seconds. As you can see, friends, and the 4K file, the duration of the 4K file was about 5-minute clip. So I forgot to mention that before, but 4K file was a 5-minute clip, and the size of the 4K video was about, I think, 600 MB, I think so. As you can see, friends, still the Realme X1 Pro is taking a long time. Now the time is about 2 minutes and 18 seconds. You can clearly see here. and still the Realme X1 Pro did not reach to the 50%. As you can clearly see friends, this is the Realme X1 Pro. Still it did not reach to the 50%. So let's see how long the phone will actually take more time to convert. So this just from 4K. So I'm just converting the 4K file to the 1080 file. So if you convert the maybe 1080 file into the 4K file, that might be the different case. That might even cause some kind of slow as well. I'll try to do that kind of video in case if you are interested. But this might give you the clear idea friends what's going on here as well. And this is just for the 1080 exporting only. If you export 4K file to the 4K file, so just imagine friends, if you're just recorded using the 4K, and if you want to export to 4K, then definitely this is going to take very long time in the Realme X1 Pro device. So 75%, 76%, 77. So right now it's coming kind of speeding up 81, as you can see by 96%, 97%, as you can see friends. So finally the Realme X1 Pro got done, and it took about 2 minutes more time than the actual OnePlus 80 device friends doing this kind of testing. So this is just the basic test from the 4K video to the 1080 video, and in case if you have any other priorities for me to do this kind of testing, because this is the first time me doing this kind of testing using the video editing applications. So make sure to comment below friends, what are the usual formats you prefer me to try in my smartphones. Definitely I'll do my best to cover those topics in my videos. And make sure to comment below what are the types of exporting files you prefer, like 1080 to the 1080 or 1080 to 4K or 4K to 1080, something like that. Try to comment below friends what are your thoughts, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. And final winner is a OnePlus 80 device in terms of the speeding up. And that's it friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.